This is the final video to fix the libxess.dll error in Windows. And if you're also seeing messages like libxess.dll missing, libxess.dll not found, or apps crashing because of it, don't skip. I'll show you every easy fix so you can solve it today. I'm from reinstall, and I always explain things in the simplest way possible. This error usually appears when a program can't load the libxess.dll file because it's missing, corrupted, or blocked by Windows. Many guides online tell you to download random DLL files, but that's risky and can break your system. The real fixes are simple and safe. When I faced this issue myself, one quick trick fixed it instantly. But before that, here are the 5 best methods you should try. First, restart your PC. Sometimes the file is there, but the program failed to read it during launch. Second, reinstall the app that's showing the error. Go to Settings, Apps, uninstall the program, reboot, and install again. This restores the correct DLL automatically. Third, install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Most DLL errors come from missing runtime files. Download and install both x64 and x86 versions to cover everything. Fourth, run System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as admin and type sfc/scan now. This repairs missing or damaged system DLLs that your app depends on. Fifth, update Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install every pending patch. Many DLL issues disappear after updating because Windows replaces outdated components. The trick that worked for me was reinstalling the Visual C++ packages. It restored the DLL and the error disappeared instantly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial for each method, comment below and I'll make it.